All right, so the error here is something that called flowgramming, or this new concept of building workflows is a little bit different. After a little bit of research, I found out that this particular way of like writing one node that two workflows goes to it is kind of a little bit anti-pattern for n8n, because as n8n kind of like continues going on, and if you're using those nodes, sorry, those fields from that node here, and if it's not executed, like literally by these gray lines, you can see that it's not executed. With the green lines, you can see that these are executed. And since we are using those fields from this node inside this node, it's giving this error. So how to fix it is as following. I have already fixed it here. We're gonna quickly go and remove this, put it back here. So it was supposed to be like this. What we need to do is put it in two different nodes, and both of these nodes are connected to the same Google Sheet. One has these fields attached, the other one don't. So this one do not have the fields attached. Those fields are basically empty. Now I'm going to simulate two use cases. The webhook is right now pinned with certain data. Doesn't have an email, but we could also do that. But it's just going to send an empty email. So I'm initiating this. I received the phone call.
Hey, Email Sayer. I'm Samantha, Email's AI agent. Do you have a minute to talk?
Unfortunately, I'm not interested. Oh, indeed, I just forgot that I changed this from 2 minutes, let's say, to 30 seconds. And let's refresh the whole page. Okay, we're gonna re-initiate the entire thing.
Hey, Email Sayer. I'm Samantha, Email's AI agent. Do you have a minute to talk?
No, I'm sorry, I'm not interested in this. Don't call me again. So since I didn't show any interest, I'm supposed to go, and the transcript probably is available. I'm supposed to go in this branch, and then it should save it here. So it's going to take 30 seconds. There we go. It went in this branch, and then it saves it here, perfectly working fine. And I have received this new line. It says no, no, no. The user expressed no interest. I'm going to do one more test with bulk entry, like these two entries that we already have it somewhere, bulk from Google Sheet. So I'm going to execute this workflow, and it's going to 2 times execute that API call. I received the phone call.
Yeah, I'm Samantha, Email's AI agent. Do you have a minute to talk?
No, really, I'm not interested. Sorry. So I turned it off. It initiated 2 calls to me personally, but I have small demo set up with my friends in the co-working space where we would like to do like 3 different calls and see what happens next. So there we go. The calls are now executed. One probably went to exactly. So one that didn't work or the call didn't go through went to this branch, and one that where the call went and worked went to this branch. And if we go here, now we have 2 of them. One do not have transcript. So as transcript is false, and there is no data available. But the other one that has data available, but I said don't call me. It sends me this kind of information. But as you can see here, what I have done here is I added new rows in here. The best would be that I update this particular column, like update the columns in there. But since we are going to anyways switch it to the future in future when we switch it to Supabase, we're gonna anyways create like multiple rows here. So this setup is all good for me for now. So bottom line, when we are doing flow gramming, we need to think about like these branches and then don't merge two flows together. With that, let's go to the next video. Thank you.